Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to customize Google Chrome themes. Let's get started. 1. Open Google Chrome on your laptop or computer. 2. Click on the 3 vertical dots menu in the top right corner. 3. Click on Settings in the drop-down menu. 4. Click on Appearance on the left side of the screen. 5. Click on Themes under the Appearance section. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. 6. Browse through the themes in the Chrome Web Store. You can find numerous different themes and easily add them to your Chrome by clicking Add to Chrome. 7. To customize your own theme, go to the website themebeta.com. Here, you can customize your own theme by selecting images, colors, and everything from your computer. You have successfully customized the theme for your Google Chrome. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel.